He's here for the business. Oh, that's it. Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
What's up, Charlie?
How's it going?
Dude, today's goal is axle stall to fakies. You ready?
Get it, yeah.
Let's get it. All right, dude. The first two main prerequisites for this are going to be 50-50 stalls, axle stalls, and rock to fakies. You can do those?
I can do those.
Awesome. Let's see one. Perfect. And I'm watching for when you do your 50-50 stall. I'm paying attention to your back wheel to make sure that your back heel wheel is up against the coping.
Okay.
Okay, so for instance, this is your axle stall, okay? And I'm looking that you slide that back wheel up against the coping, okay?
Sure.
That was perfect, dude. And yeah, that's the benefit. If you can just get into it and not have to slide it, but you can get into that pinch point, which is that back foot heel wheel, you'll be golden, okay? The next thing with this is we're gonna slide both wheels, both heel wheels against the coping, and then you're gonna start to learn to point your toes down. So let me see your board. So here's your basic axle stall. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of hop and slide both toes forward, or you could do one at a time, but your goal is to get both heel wheels against the coping so your toe wheels are hanging out. So if I was to let go of the board wants to roll back in, right? So when you do this, make sure to hop and slide, and then you want to stay on your heels. Really bend those knees and stay on your heels. And then the next thing we're gonna do is start to point the toes down. So as you point your toes down, your board still will kind of want to hang on, because it'll have a little bit of a hook depending on how big your wheels are, and it'll hook onto the coping, and then you can start to give it a tiny little hop to break traction, to break the hold off the coping, and then you'll start to slide in. So let's start with that.
Okay. Just get up there on the heels.
Yeah, just pump up into your axle stall, and then I want you to get both wheels up against the coping, and then start to point your toes down. Really buckle down, bend those knees, get a nice low center of gravity for better balance and stability. As you get on your heel wheels, you point your toes down, you're gonna need to give it kind of a little bit of a hop, just to take a little bit of weight off. Don't take your feet off your board, but just lift some of that weight off to get you out and forward, and that'll unlock your wheels, and you'll start to slide back down the ramp. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. As we get to here, it doesn't matter if you go one at a time. You can go back foot, then front foot, or you can do both at the same time, like I like to do. I just hop and slide both, point my toes down, and then slide down, okay? So notice I did that, and I first started my slide. So I encourage people to do a power slide down. So really point those toes down. So I'm gonna do it in slow motion. I'm currently riding 52mm wheels, so I'm still able to get a hold of the coping. Anything smaller than that might be a struggle. So I slide both, toes start to go down, then I hop, gentle little hop, okay? And find my balance and continue to bend my body weight down into my pump and sink down with the ramp, matching the distance of the ramp.
All right.
Okay, so again, you can power slide down, and if you need to, as you power slide down, if you need to turn to go to regular, do that. Or you could just power slide down to a complete stop. Take your time. Good, get those wheels against. Really start to point your toes down, and then give it a tiny little hop. Hey, that's the beginning right there. Dude, fantastic.
Stand a little longer.
That's right. You're gonna have to ride the bull on the way down until you get used to it, and then it'll be easy for you. So building the confidence. Good, that's right. Good, both heel wheels. Really bend those knees. Start to point the toes down, lean in. That's it. That's it. So you felt a little bit of slide, right?
Yeah, let me clean that up.
Yeah, that's okay. You're doing great, man. Second try. You're really doing well. Almost. So there is a heavy mental mental wall here that you got to battle, right? And it's also
you put your feet on the bolts?
No, I
like
just
tail nose, like
I just stand normal as a kick turn, just the same as if you were gonna axle stall.
Okay.
Same thing, and I just kind of nudge it to the edge. I really start to point my toes down, and right when I start to point my ankles down and aim my toes down into the ramp, I feel myself wanting to go in. So then you go with it. You go with it and kind of lean in as if you were gonna kick turn in, but you give it that little hop and continue to just slide and buckle down, bend down to brace yourself. Very similar to a power slide. I should have said power slides would be a good prerequisite for this too. It's not needed, but it's helpful. Ah, there you go. Way to battle that out. I'm gonna get some up close footage of those of your wheels and how they slide to the edge and showing those toes point down.
Okay.
Good, dude. Hey, that was perfect.
That was a real slide.
That was a real slide right there. Hey, fantastic, man. Hey, good commitment, dude. Seriously.
It's not that bad once I get it once.
Good. Remember those toes down. That's right. And it starts to feel kind of comfortable, doesn't it? Yeah, it like slides.
Feels like a normal axle stall.
Exactly, and it'll slide into the pump. And for everybody else watching, we are currently in a 3.5 foot mini ramp if you want to follow along. Good, good, good.
Is the goal to just end at the bottom horizontally?
You can go full power slide, but I want you to just kind of power slide into a slide to regular.
Okay.
We'll start with that now. Because you're feeling your unlock, yeah? And you're starting to trust it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're feeling that unlock, that little hop and nudging it in to unlock so that you begin your power slide. So then you can slide down and try to slide and rotate your shoulders back to regular so that you can go back into your pump.
All right.
That's right.
I think I can slide a little longer than that.
Good. That's fine, dude. That's perfect. If you can feel that little hop in that slide, now we're gonna add to it, and then this is where you just spin your shoulders opposite direction.
Okay.
It isn't just. It is a little more difficult because falling switch is funky, right? So, or fakie. So, go ahead. Try it again.
To regular.
Yeah. Try to regular. Really feel your body weight collapse down, sliding into your pump. Good. Really take your time. Bend those knees. That's it. Hey. Good job. How's it feel?
All right.
Okay, so I want you to get your power slide, try to rewind your shoulders back to fakie. Okay, you can do it. You can do it. So just unlock, get your power slide, and just spin your shoulders the opposite way now. Even if you have to make it to the bottom and try to slide it, that's okay. So let your slide first. Ah, good, good, good.
And the way you take it to fakie, do you put all your weight on this front foot so it kind of sticks?
Yeah, it's gonna be as you come down that ramp and into your slide,
sure.
you're gonna start to rotate your shoulders. Your back truck will start to unlock first. As you get better at this, you'll start to kind of unlock your back foot truck first, and then slide, and then the other one will unlock, and you continue your rotation, natural rotation in and into your tuck.
Okay.
Good. Remember, try to power slide and then spin it, rewind. So power slide. Ah, you had it. You had it. You had it. Ankle good?
Yeah.
Okay. So everything's looking good. Remember to try to bend down and into it.
Okay.
That'll prevent you from slamming.
Going in?
Yeah, because your body, when you drop your body weight, you're telling your body to change direction to go down,
sure.
right? And that's going to make it helpful for you. Good. Ah, almost. Try to relax, okay? Nice and slow and smooth. Locking it in. Get those knees bent down, nice and slow. Hey, there it is. There it is. Hey, now confidence just went way up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Good. Good, that's it. That's it. Hey, I'm proud of you, dude. You're getting it. That smile's looking good, man. You can feel it, right? It's right there.
I know what's going wrong too. It's like I'm not connecting to the switch drop-in basically. But everything else is all right.
Makes sense.
I'm like afraid my body's gonna unwind.
Yep, I know the feeling. Remember your hop to unlock your wheels?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the second that you unlock those wheels, start tucking down and into your rewind so that your shoulders spin to fakie and you bend down at the same time. Big deep breath. Imagine yourself doing it. Pump up, bend the knees. Good. Wheels to the edge, toes down. Ah, there it is. There it is. See? And I want everybody to recognize that Charlie is keeping his knees bent as he power slides down the ramp. Because he's jamming his toes into his power slide to brace himself and keep his balance. Almost. So I see that back foot kind of sliding off a little early.
Yeah.
So try to unlock first, then slide rewind. Good, nice deep breath. Really bend those knees. Good. It's kind of intense, but you're getting it.
Yeah.
Almost all tricks are like that, right? In transition, when you're like, force yourself to go for it. Because you're here to learn, dude. You're trying really hard and it shows.
Okay.
So, I mean, dude, if anybody who can learn a trick within an hour, that's really impressive, right? That really takes some mental commitment.
I guess I gotta make it then.
He's here for the business. Oh, that's it. Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Just gotta feel that once.
Again, hey, nice big deep breath. Slow your heart down. Nice and relaxed. Woo-hoo! So to help you ride that out, continue to bend down.
Okay.
Continue to bend down.
I'm standing back up basically.
Kinda, yeah. Not standing up, but you're stopping your bend down,
Okay.
right? So keep sinking down and then ride it out. It'll feel better. Nice and relaxed. Wheels to the edge. Good try.
That was the best power slide.
That was the best power slide. And see, that proves that the confidence is going up, right?
I'm gonna do a switch drop in just to get used to the tack real quick.
That's a good idea. Good. See, exactly. So imagine you're doing your switch drop in right now and not tucking, right? Yeah, that would make it sketchy. That's it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, dude. Hey. Yep.
That wasn't bad at all.
That wasn't bad at all.
That's sick.
You might have learned that in like a half an hour.
I think I can do it again.
I think you can do it again too. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, it works, huh? Awesome.
That switch drop in really helps.
Good.
Because it's like, I can't explain to myself how to lean that way, but connecting with the trick I could already do.
Yeah, it just helps solidify that confidence into going in fakie.
Yeah.
Or switch, you know. That's right. That's right. Get one more.
One more.
Look at that. Okay,
One every time.
hey, that's been every time. Now we're gonna make it extra hard, and I'm gonna do it on that side.
Sure.
I'm just teasing about being extra hard.
No, it's the easy side.
Oh, okay, good.
Coping.
Hey. Good. Slide both wheels. Good. Toes down, a little hop. That's right. See what I'm talking about? Into that pump, right?
Yeah.
So as you unlock and you start to come down, that pump is what gives you that extra weight to grab, to get traction again of your wheels. That's it. That's it. That's it. You look pretty happy, dude.
This is fun.
Good, man. I'm glad I could help. Hey, thanks for letting me film this, Charlie. Seriously.
Of course, dude.
Awesome, man. And congratulations on that new trick.
Lesson.
Yeah,
I've been trying
dude.
this one for a lot longer than I'll admit.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, cool. Well, I'm glad I can help you. Oh, really?
Really? Yeah, I learned feeble to Fakie, and then this one just kind of didn't make sense.
Oh, okay, good. Well, dude, hey, today was your day.
Hell yeah.
Seriously.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. Later, Charlie. As you saw in the video, Charlie did fantastic. And the more he does it, the more comfortable he's gonna get. So the goal for you is ultimately to get up and into your axle stall and lock in on the heel wheels immediately, and then quickly hop and rotate the shoulders back into your pump, like this. Notice how I keep my shoulders perpendicular with the coping as I get into my axle stall, so it makes it easier for me to rewind back to Fakie. And then the next progression of this trick would be, you're gonna go axle stall and start to rewind out of it. And by rewind, I mean, you're gonna push on the tail, lift your front wheels, and then commit to your hop into Fakie. It is a little more scary, and there is more chance for hang up. So you're gonna come up, axle stall, and then push on the tail and rewind back in, okay? That is the segue into learning pivot to Fakies. I'll demonstrate. So start with your axle stall to Fakie. Then axle stall rewind. And pivot Fakie. Ta-da! Last but not least, I want to encourage you to grind these. Once you feel comfortable getting into your stall, just do a tiny little grind, even if it's a couple inches, even if you have to stall it out and get ready, do that. But start working your way, pumping up into your carve, into your 50-50. Give it a little hop to slide those wheels against the coping if needed. Otherwise, work on carving up and into your grind with your heel wheels on the coping. So you're gonna carve up, so that you lock in immediately, heel wheels against the coping. Then you'll slide it in and tuck down into your pump, just like this. Yay! So even if this happens, like this, keep your front foot on, put your back foot back on, pop and slide it. This, take your time, look at where you're going, hop and slide, tuck down, hop into your pump.